It's a beautiful day in Oregon, and I am at the Wooden Shoe Tulip Farm getting inspiration for how to landscape my front yard with flowers for spring. As you can see, I'm sitting in a row of purple tulips, but there are acres and acres of gorgeous tulips of every single color. Mount Hood is really beautiful off to the side of me, and I'm just so excited to be here on this gorgeous sunny spring day. So I decided to go with some low maintenance geraniums. I love this hot pink. It's literally called Pretty Little Pink Splash. And it totally is just a splash of pink. And then I'm mixing it with these other geraniums, which are like a lighter pink. And I'm gonna find some more plants to mix in with the bunch. Oh, there's my mom. She came with me today. What are you looking at, Mom?
I'm looking at some vegetables. I love to garden with the vegetables. This is pumpkin and a few other little starts like butternut and some green beans. So that's kind of what I'm looking at today.
What do you have?
Looks like I've got a lot of pretty flowers. Spring has sprung.
We are planting all the flowers we got. Beautiful. I love them. Just need a little like pop of color for spring.